Hello everyone, how are you? I'm on my way to Niagara Falls. So, funny story. So I'm at Niagara Falls. I brought 4 people up here so they could check out the falls. But I really didn't get enough sleep the night before. It was a long ride up here, so I really was looking forward to taking a nice long nap. So we got up here and all the parking lots were full. So we saw the parking garage. We thought, oh great, parking garage, let's go there. So I'm parked up here on the 3rd level of the parking garage, trying to take a nap. And people are identifying where their car is by using their key fobs. And so the car next to me could not find their car. Not right away. So the horn was going off over and over and over and over again. Note to self, don't try to take a nap in a parking garage. It's a really bad idea. So I always say, if you can't take a nap, might as well join them. Here I am at Niagara Falls State Park. Getting closer. All right. So if you've never been here, you definitely got to come to Niagara Falls. Pretty darn cool, man. July 21st, 2024. Niagara Falls, New York, USA. How's your day going?